In today's video, I'll show you how to upload Shopify customer data into Postscript so you can use it for SMS marketing. Start by opening your web browser and going to the official Shopify website. Log into your Shopify account using your email and password. Once logged in, you land on the Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Customers. This page displays all of the customers associated with your store. To export this data, look for the Export button and click on it. Choose the appropriate export option and proceed. Shopify will generate a CSV file containing your customer information. Once the export is complete, open the CSV file using Google Sheets or Excel. Review the data carefully and make sure the file includes phone numbers and opt-in information. It's very important that this list only contains customers who have explicitly agreed to receive SMS messages. Keeping your list compliant is essential for SMS marketing. After confirming the data is clean, log into your Postscript account. Once inside the dashboard, contact the Postscript support team to begin the list upload process. They'll provide a form where you'll need to enter your Shopify store URL, your Postscript shop ID, and details on how your subscribers opted in. After submitting the form, the Postscript team will handle uploading and tagging your customer list. You'll receive email and in-app notifications when the process starts and once it's complete. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded your Shopify customer data to Postscript and can now use it to power your SMS marketing campaigns.